Welcome folks, William Caleb coming back at you with another video, and today we're going to go over my new system that I just installed, and the system is known in our industry as the Yellow Brick Road system. However, you can find it at instantcashfunnel.com, and as you can see, I have a unique squeeze page here, and the headline reads, "Get paid cash instantly while receiving monthly payments at the same time. I'm giving you my instant cash funnel and Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich for free." I mean, this is an awesome squeeze page here, folks. As you can see, watch how it slides in. Let's give it a few moments here. Here it comes. Wait for it. Wait for it. Boom. And as you can see, there's a sliding in action. Of course, I'm recording a video of me on my own laptop, so just a little stalling there with the connectivity, being all the advanced recording I'm doing. But you can see that this is a very different looking squeeze page here and how it reacts. And of course, if you try to exit, there's going to be a little stop notification. Hold on, don't forget, you got to download your free copy of Think and Go Rich and use my instant cash funnel to make money now. And this part here is the important part. Now, not a week from now, a month from now, or or receiving a quarterly payment, or waiting every 6 months to get paid. No, this is right now, folks. Right now. And of course, once they enter their information, then they'll be taken to this particular system page here, as we'll go ahead and take a look right now. One moment, and you'll see you'll be taken to the video where you're introduced to this Yellow Brick Road system, which I put under the instantcashfunnel.com, and there's going to be an introduction and full details of exactly how the system works, how it makes you money right now, instantly. And that's why I put it as instantcashfunnel.com. And of course, you will be at the bottom once you're done with the video. You'll see there's some more information you're going to want to take a look at. And importantly, if you don't see your welcome email from me, William Caleb Rogers, then you need to check your other email folders. It can be in your other folders, and immediately mark it as not spam, which should move it to your primary folders. Or, if you're in Gmail, I know you can drag it from your promotional folder to your primary folder. Your email provider will give you the simple instructions to do that, but you want to make sure you mark it as not spam, so that my emails will come to your primary email folder, so you can get your free gift, because the free gift isn't given on this page, it's given in your email. So you have to make sure you put in a good email address, folks. Okay, and there's also going to be some important updates you will need, which is going to be vital for you there. Okay, so once you've read the video, you'll understand what registering in step 1 really means. And in order to make all of this work, you'll need the system with it, and it'll work best that way. And as you can see, we have our Facebook team group as well as the company group for the that's going to be the step 1 company there that you'll be joining, which actually makes you the instant commissions. And those instant commissions there's different levels of commissions. You can make a $25 instant payment, $100 instant payment, a $250 instant payment, a $500 instant payment, and even a $1,000 instant payment that comes to you. It doesn't come to the company, folks. It comes directly to you. Yes, as unbelievable as that sounds, I'm a living witness. Me and hundreds upon hundreds of other people are doing this. Okay, And of course, we're not going to leave you hanging and just give you a system and not show you how to get people to your system, right? So what's the point of having a great system if you don't know how to get people there? So in that case, we are also providing top quality 95% tier 1 traffic, folks. You'll see a link here that you can select, as well as another link here with guaranteed pay-per-click traffic that you can select, which comes straight from the search engines, folks. This here is search engine traffic. And let's see if we can take a look at some of the other pages here in the system, because I want you to really see what you're getting here. So if we slide back up and we click on optional step 2 to get this whole system, which has several lead capture pages, all the videos include all the sales copy, you would go ahead and click this button here, and we'll give it a couple of moments while it loads up and we'll see where it goes. And here we are at the step 2, and it is where you learn how to set up your own done-for-you system, which is this yellow brick road system under instantcashfunnel.com with the capture pages, the sell pages, and the email series. You're getting all of that, which will automate your income with with the main company that's going to be providing you the instant cash commissions here. And I know this part may seem simple. Wait a minute, I don't know how to set up a capture page. So wait a minute, I didn't know I had to do all of that. You mean to tell me I got to set up an email series? No. Don't misunderstand this here. This is done for you. The instructions in the videos merely tell you what code to put in so that it automatically populates. It's just going to populate for you and be ready under the website name of your choice, whatever you choose. This is pretty user friendly, as you're about to find out. And of course, the system, it actually has a free 7-day trial. So, and if you want to know more about the system and how that system gets you additional residual monthly income, you're going to want to click on this button where it says comp plan, so you can understand how that works. You do get monthly income from this as well. And that is how you're able to get instant pay plus monthly revenue at the same time. Yes, folks, that's how we do it here at instantcashfunnel.com. And if you just do a little scrolling, it gives you more information on how to set up that particular code I was letting you know about, the share code, and goes a little bit more into how to get traffic and about the resources for getting people to your particular yellow brick road system funnel. You're going to want to go over that video and see how easy that is. But basically, folks, this is just an all-in-one system that's done up for you. There's not going to be anything left hanging for you to do. You'll have a simple code. You're going to plug in this code, and boom, all the sales pages, all the sales copy, the email series, multiple capture pages that you can choose from, it's going to be included within here. That's right. So, what do you do next? Simple. Just go to instantcashfunnel.com and get started now. There's money waiting for you, folks. There's cash right now waiting for you. This is a solution you are offering. This is a solution you are offering to anybody that's in a situation where they need cash. So that's the pain point. The pain point is someone who needs cash. Simple as that. That's your customer. Anyone who needs some cash right now. Simple as that. InstantCashFunnel.com, folks. Can't wait to see you on the inside, and I'm going to go ahead and congratulate you ahead of time on joining and congratulate you on that first commission you just got. Peace. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.